Namaskar. I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you month of November's 2020's monthly forecast based on Indian Vedic astrology, based on moon sign. But you can watch this particular monthly forecast according to your ascendant, according to your rising sign as well. You can take this whole prediction according to your moon sign as well as according to your ascendant, according to your rising sign. This prediction have no relevance whatsoever with sun sign prediction. So kindly take this prediction according to your moon sign or according to your ascendant sign or according to your rising sign. For all of you, based on Indian Vedic astrology, based on all, so the whole project is based on Indian Vedic astrology, all the task, precaution, chantings, all the information. Going to talk about Gemini for this coming month. Gemini transit for you, the month of November. The transit for Gemini transit of Venus in 4th house, 23rd October till 17th November. When the Venus is transiting in 4th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Venus in 4th house from your moon sign. When the Venus transit in 4th house from your moon sign, do this phase when the Venus transit in 4th house from your moon sign, this particular phase donating financial growth for you. You could also expect a rise in prosperity. If you're a landowner, if you're dealing with agriculture, if you're a fashion designer, if you own a boutique, if you own a wedding venue, this could be proving to be finest time, bringing you more profit in your professional career or in your professional domain. If you own a boutique, if you're a fashion designer, if you're a professional artist or commercial artist, this is a rising time for you. When the Venus is transiting in 4th house from your moon sign. At home, you're likely to spend quality time with your family member and spouse, discussing the matter of importance, and you'll also be able to enjoy good lifestyle, luxurious lifestyle. The social aspect of your life would be full of happening and happy. Your popularity would be rising. You're most likely to acquire new friends. The companionship with new friends, old friend, would give you much happiness. You may even consider staying away from home to having a fun, quality time like a holidays. This particular period also likely to see you enjoying companionship. Health should remain be fine and you would be more energetic than ever. Acquisition of material comfort could also becoming a more priority for you during this phase of time. Transit of Sun for Gemini in 6th house. 16th November till 15th December. When the Sun is transiting in 6th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Sun in 6th house from your moon sign. When the Sun is transiting 6th house from your moon sign, this period brings success in every aspect of life. You find yourself overcoming obstacles easily. It's a great time for successful problem solving. If anyone gets in your way, you'll be able to deal with it easily with a minimum aggravation. When the Sun is transiting in 6th house, it's a good time to complete any unfinished projects. You're likely to succeed in whatever you put your effort in. Financially, you'll do well and you'll find it easy to gain general. Your mental and physical health will be excellent. When the Sun is transiting in 6th house, your body will stay healthy. Your mind will be free of too much stress and anxiety. It's a time to enjoy comfort and social relationship, especially friendship with people in powerful positions. There are good chance for promotion, honor, especially from authorities or government-related problems. Transit of Venus in 5th house, 17th November till 11th of December. When the Venus is transiting in 5th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Venus in 5th house from your moon sign. Transit of Venus in 5th house from your moon sign. During this particular period, you move, when the Venus is transiting 5th house from your moon sign, this signifies a time mostly spent being entertained. This period also donate good timing financially. You'll be able to raise your funds during this phase of time. If you're taking any kind of examination, official, driving test, university exam, if you're taking any kind of interview, presentation, job interview, contract interview, even business contract meeting, under any kind of government department, during this particular phase, you're most likely to be successful. If you're employed, you're also likely to get promoted. When the Venus transit in 5th house from your moon sign, You may expect a rise in position of society. Your friends, elders, teachers also expect it to be good timing to you during this phase of time. Relationship expected to be go smoothly. You may expect intense and sensuous timing with your beloved. You're also enjoying a personal bliss of physical companionship with someone special. You may expect to meet someone new in the family or even bringing someone new to the family. Health should be fine this particular period. See you enjoying delicious food, achieving wealth, object of your desire. When the Venus transits 5th house, luxuries will be there, lifestyle will be there, companionship will be there. You'll enjoy luxuries, lifestyle and thorough romantic union, definitely. With the help of toss, precaution, chanting, you can sort out yourself. You must sort out your Saturn, Rahu, Ketu. You must sort out your Saturn, definitely Saturn. No doubt about it. Due to profession, due to marriage relationship, due to career. Rahu and Ketu, you don't want any bad debts. You don't want any huge financial losses. You don't want any fine penalty punishment. Ketu, health issues, matrimonial issues. And you can sort out your Saturn, Rahu, Ketu with the help of full report. And you can acquire the full report. May I say that from the website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the full monthly horoscope report and implement the full monthly horoscope report, which will save you from any kind of professional losses, financial losses, flow of income issue, professional backing issue, relationship issues, peace of mind, career, health issues. But with the help of toss, precaution, chanting, you can sort out a lot of your problems and complications. Why don't you go to the website and acquire the full monthly horoscope report and implement the full monthly horoscope report in your life for your best. Thanks for watching this monthly video. Would you like to know more about what this coming month is going to bring for you regarding your job, business, profession, career, financial backing? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming month regarding your romantic life, love life? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming month? Would you like to have some guidance regarding your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies and how you can resolve your problems, complications, hassles, obstacles, waste of time, delays in this coming month? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough Moon Sign Monthly Horoscope Report on the video as well as written. And do visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. I want your best in this coming month. I want you to achieve the best in this coming month.